Today's home virtual tour is coming from the brand new community of Foxtail, built by Pulte Homes. Located just off of the 215, this community is located in western Summerlin. This gated community will have an HOA of $67 per month, and when complete, Foxtail will have a total of 120 single and two-story homes with 6 distinctive plans ranging in size from 2,100 to 2,400 square feet. Foxtail offers mountain views as well as views of the Las Vegas Strip. The average home site is 6,000 square feet, and premium lot sizes go up to 11,000 square feet. In July of 2020, nearly half of the 120 home sites are still available. This neighborhood's divided into two parts. Where we first drove in were the single-story homes, and on this side of the community is where the two-story homes are featured. In Foxtail, Pulte is offering 3 two-story homes ranging from 2,063 to 2,400 square feet, with base prices going from $4,008 to $435,000. Today's virtual tour features the largest single-story model in Foxtail, the Parklane. This home features 2,450 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Pulte homes feature 9-foot high ceilings, stylish mohawk carpeting, and nearly 4-inch wood baseboards. The secondary baths feature mirrored medicine cabinets and Piedrafina vanity countertops. The Parklane offers a 20-foot by 20-foot 2-car garage located directly across from its dedicated laundry room. All Pulte homes are painted with Sherwin-Williams low-voc interior wall paint, are pre-wired for ceiling fans, and also have USB outlets throughout the kitchen and other parts of the house. This open layout flows right into our impressive kitchen design, which features Whirlpool Energy Star stainless steel appliances. All Pulte homes are Energy Star certified and come with a 10-year warranty program. The average lot size in Foxtail is 6,000 square feet, and there are premium lots available going up to 11,000 square feet. All Pulte homes are built using stringent construction standards, and they offer a complimentary design center consultation so you can customize the home just the way you want it. This owner's bath features a shower with a seat, convenient separate toilet room, and a huge walk-in closet. This just about concludes our virtual walkthrough of the Parklane in Foxtail. If you'd like some more information about the specifics of this or any other model, be sure to contact me with the information on the screen. And if you'd like to view some other home virtual tours in Las Vegas, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel.